Do you want to go open your Christmas present now? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, come
Out in
on.
the driveway, okay?
Come on.
Let's go outside in the driveway.
What's that on the floor there for? Keep the cat in. What is that? I don't know.
We'll find out. What do you think that is?
Whose name is on it?
Does it have Gavin's name?
No, Wyatt.
Oh, it's got Wyatt's name on it. Yeah.
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 What is it? No.
Is that big?
Big. It's too big.
Maybe we should get the ribbon off first.
No.
No.
Should we take it off the way you have
You
it?
can rip it apart. I don't care. We're not saving it.
No.
We're not refilling it.
Not unless you're taking it home.
No, I'm not taking the box home.
Well, come on, open it.
You gotta open it.
Oh, this is unfair.
Maybe you could just lift it up, huh? Try to lift it up.
Watch it, see how heavy the box is.
Pick up the box.
How heavy? How heavy is the? Oh. Oh.
Go. Maybe Grandpa. Oh, maybe Gavin can help you.
Maybe you can just do it.
Holy smokes!
What is that?
A race car!
Who's that for?
I don't know.
It's for you! Here, let's put it on tight. Here.
Put it on so it serves a purpose.
Okay, Grandpa, show him how it works.
Now, how does Mama make the car go? Whoa! Stop! Stop! Wait! Okay, take your foot off the gas. Whoa!
Stay on the sidewalk. Stay on the sidewalk. I'm riding the bike. Get out of the street. Yep, keep going.
Don't run into anything.
That is so funny.
Why did it have to be in reverse right off the bat, huh?
I thought I had it in forward. You must have moved that.
That's how he drives when he runs to the house. Vroom, 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 vroom. Go that way. Go this way. Follow me. Turn this way. There you go.
There you go. We're gonna see how long the battery lasts.
It's a rental. Where?
You have to look over your shoulder. Where are you going?
Okay, come here, Wyatt. Wyatt. Wyatt.
Stop. Look at his face. Just go straight. Just hold it. Hold it. There you go. There you go.
Come on. Whoa. Look up. Follow me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, come on. Okay, get Grandma.
Look Hey, don't run over your brother.
No, do.
Hey, come back over here.
Gavin needs to.
They made him easier than they used to be. Better hang out of the seat, Mike.
Gavin, follow him real quick.
Hey, here's Bud. Bird. Watch, Wyatt. Wyatt, watch. Just hold it still. You go forward. There you go. None of that. Nice to go forward anyway.
Follow me. Push the gas.
Push the gas. Watch. Yeah, hold still. Just hold it still. Yeah, yeah. Stop, Gavin. You gotta watch where you're going. Good boy. Yeah. Stop.
Oh wait, the street's still going though.
I know. Okay, now go forwards.
That little kid rides a motorcycle in the street. And look at the little evil look on his face. He's like,
Man, Mama better not leave her keys laying around.
I can't. Mommy's too big. But here, I'll buckle that up, okay?
Mommy's there right here. Trying to get his mommy in his ride.
You know who can sit in there? Your sock monkey. There you go.
We'll put SpongeBob in there with him.
Yeah.
SpongeBob,
Wow, all of you. They're gonna run me over. And he don't stop.
you better follow me. Car's coming. Go forward now. Go right forward.
All right. No tennis balls for your garage.
Look,
You like
open
that,
it.
huh?
Look. Wait, does it open?
No.
Oh, I thought it opened. Did it make
looks like
open?
You like that, Wyatt?
Are you sure that doesn't open?
Up and down.
I'm sure.
Oh, okay. Grandpa says no, it doesn't
Grandpa
open.
put it together. That yeah, you can put some stuff back there
You
though.
put all your stuffed animals in there.
And then you're.
Do you have to go potty? Do you want to go in the use?
You don't want to go potty in your new car.
You better not pee in your car.
Diaper on. Put a pee in the-
You better not pee in your diaper in your car. Don't forget your seatbelt.
Whoa!
My mom says,
Supposed to run over people.
my mom says, paint it green so it matches mine.
Oh,
Because she has a
God,
green Jeep now.
he's pretty good. Yeah.
No, I like it. That's cool.
Watch out!
Forward.
Watch out! You almost hit the car.
Good thing your mama's an insurance agent.
You don't want a big dent in that, do you? Right?
Maybe mommy will write your insurance.
Now we have to go steal a bag from D&D from the county store.
I'm gonna washing machine box or something.
I know.
You can park it.
Where's Wyatt?
Are you going to come out?
Probably putting his seatbelt on.
Putting his seatbelt on.
He's checking his mirrors. Checking
Turn on
his
his
lights.
radio.
That is cool.
Okay, hang on. Stop. Better look for cars.
Did you look for cars?
Watch the cars.
Anyway, so
Bam!
he's almost like an after.
That does turn pretty good, huh?
He's bigger. Don't hit him! Don't hit him! Going back in the garage?
Hey, you know why? Legally, you have to stop.
Nope.
Back up.
Gotta back up.
Back up.
Nope, not gonna work.
Back up.
Wait, I know the garage moves.
I know.
Yeah, but...
Back up. Back
Okay,
up.
try it.
Back up.
Oop,
Back
no.
up first. That's it.
How much Kathy up there eating all the clam dip and everything?
Oh.
Whoop!
Okay, now go forwards.
Watch out, there's a car coming.
Car
Stop,
coming,
stop,
watch
stop,
out!
stop,
Stop!
Car coming.
Gotta watch out for big cars, okay? Because they'll squish you.
Yeah, they might not see
First
you.
off, Wyatt, we're gonna turn this way. Yes.
He wants to park it again.
We'll make it.
Go turn around in the street and come back.
That way. No! Stop! That's what I'm trying to tell you. You won't make it. Okay, back.
Go backwards.
Stop. Stop.
Big.
Right over your big toe.
Listen.
Go turn around by your daddy.
You have to stop, okay? Can you do that? Here, let me fix your seatbelt because you're going to fall out the way you drive. Okay, now go forward.
Maybe I could-
Go to daddy. Go to daddy.
Come around.
Make a big turn.
Turn around.
Big turn.
Go around your dad.
Okay, now go in the garage.
Okay, now go to daddy.
Now go in
Move
the
it out here,
garage.
Brandy. Some. There you go.
Go.
Don't run her over.
Okay, go forward a little bit. Hang on, wait. Okay, go. Oh, back.
Watch where you're going.
Stop. Forward. Wyatt. Go forward. Yeah, at least he honks first.
Here comes my honey. We're going on a hot date.